Hi, another book haul video. Wala eh. So last May, nag-check out ako. Tapos by June, na-cancel siya kasi ang tagal ni seller. So chinek out ko ulit. So ngayon July 20 plus lang nakarating. So in a span of almost 2 months, yan, ganun katagal inabot nitong book check out ko. So it's Empire Bookstore. So alam naman ninyo, so sa mga nakabasa na ng reviews about Empire Bookstores, matagal bago sila maka-send ng book. So from check out hanggang delivery, at least minimum, based from my experience, minimum 1 month. So this time umabot siya ng 2 months. So nung na-cancel siya nung June, na-refund naman sa Maribank ko. So nag-check out ulit ako anyway. So the books that I got are Moderation by Elaine Castillo. Tapos this is The Convenience Store by the Sea by Sonoko Machida. Tapos ito yung pagiging FOMO ko, and YOLO. So naki-check out ako. So this is the International Booker Prize 2026 winner. It's Taiwan Travelogue by, ayan, Yang Shuangzi. Okay, pag binasa ito in Mandarin na, Yang Shuangzi. Okay, hindi Z. Okay, Zi. Lang, share ko lang. It's translated by Lin King. So, ganda ng, ano niya, cover design. Ayan. Taiwan Travelogue by Yang Shuangzi. Yan lang. So, sa Shopee ako ni Empire Bookstore nag-check out. Yun lang. So, manage your expectations. Hindi nyo agad-agad makukuha ang books niyo kung sa Empire Bookstore kayo nag-check out. Yun lang. Don't forget to continue using Ecocean, Ocean Hero, listen to Nature on Spotify, and avoid your phone and boycott using AI. Sa pag-generate ng text, pag-generate ng pictures, pag-generate ng videos, and music. Utang na loob. Ecocean, Ocean Hero na lang kung may tanong kayo sa internet. Maraming salamat!